If your tables and figures in Microsoft Word are out of date or the numbering looks wrong after edits, don't worry. There's a super quick way to refresh everything at once. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update table and figure numbers in Microsoft Word in just a few seconds. This is a really useful trick if you've added, removed, or moved content in a long document, because manual updates can be frustrating and time-consuming. So if this saves you time, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, click anywhere inside your Word document body. It doesn't matter where you click as long as your document is active. This step is important because Word needs to know you want to update the fields in the current document. Next, press Ctrl+A on Windows. That shortcut selects everything in the document at once, including your tables, figures, captions, and reference fields. If you're using a laptop and the function keys are set differently, you may need to use Fn plus F9 instead of just F9. Once everything is selected, press F9. This is the key step that tells Microsoft Word to refresh the fields in your document. Word will then scan through the selected content and update things like table numbers, figure numbers, captions, and references that are linked to those fields. If a box appears asking what you want to update, choose Update Entire Table and then click OK. This ensures Word refreshes the full table of figures or table list, not just a single entry. If you have both a table of figures and other numbered references in the document, this helps make sure everything stays consistent and accurate. After that, take a quick look through your document and confirm the numbering has updated correctly. You should see your table and figure numbers reflect the latest order and captions. If you moved a figure to a different section or inserted a new table, this method usually fixes the numbering immediately. And that's it. You've now updated table and figure numbers in Microsoft Word the fast way. No manual renumbering, no confusion, and no wasted time scrolling through a long document. This is one of those simple Word shortcuts that can make a big difference, especially for reports, thesis documents, dissertations, manuals, and any file with lots of captions. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft Word tips, shortcuts, and tutorials. And if you want, check out the next video for more ways to save time in Word. Thanks for watching.